Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. My name is Godwin Emmanuel. You are welcome to Fxpg Global Limited. Building career in Forex trading starts with taking the decision to do all you can against all odds to transform your financial life by efficiently navigating the financial market, just like the banks and other financial institutions, through the training and mentorship of Fxpg platform. And today we'll be looking at these following pairs. We'll be looking at dollar index, Euro USD, GPUSD, Gbpjpy, Usdcad, gold, NASDAQ, and US30. Today is 20th of July 2022. And if you want to join our academy, you can visit fxpreneur.com.ng. And let's not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and also turn on the notification button so you get notified anytime we're on or we upload a content. Let's go straight up to what we have for today. We'll be looking straight up to our US index, and this is our US index. We analyze all this from this place. We analyze those that's happening. It's playing out perfectly as you analyze. As you can see, this market actually pulled back down here with a very big candle, which shows that what here we'll have what we call the sell side liquidity here, sell stop liquidity. And this sell stop liquidity is also backed by what we call the fair value gap here. And we know that market will trade into this and go back up again before coming down possibly. So what are we looking at here? Let's go straight to daily and let's see what happened in daily. Because market obey the higher time frame analysis than the lower time frame analysis. Let's zoom in. I've taken off some of those things. Routine. Okay. Now, as you can see, guys, we'll have this coming down, but in here, we'll have a fair value gap here. There's a gap here that market did not fill. Okay, and we know this market is likely is coming into this place. So I would like them to come into this place, straight into this FVG here, then go up here, then come down. All right, that is what I would like to see them do here. Now let's go back to our time frame, 4 hours time frame. Now, as you can see, this guy came in here, right? They have this. This is a fair value gap. Okay, up to this level, but let's switch here. This is an FVG, so they had to trade into this FVG to flush down. As you can see, they've already traded into this FVG. So if it gives us pattern to go down by breaking so toward the downside, then we want them to take away this liquidity that is resting here. What is liquidity zone? Liquidity zone is where retail traders are likely to put their support and resistance. You can see they call it here a zone of support. And that is why most time when retail trader buys here, and before you know what, the stop will be hit. So let's go straight up to our chart and see what's happening. I have this zone here in 3 hours. And you know, market is still, you know, gathering some contracts. So I would like to see these guys do something like something crazy, trade into this particular zone and flush down. That is what I want to see. So the analysis remain valid, but then we would like to see them pull back, right? We would like to see them pull back. So what I want to see them do is, I want to see them, let me remove this. I would like to see them do this because already they've traded into this in 4 hours, but I would like to see them do this, something like this again. All right, you know, and come down here, then up to this level, then continue their movement down. This is what I want to see them do. I want to see them do this. Let's zoom out so we can see what our bias is. These are bias on this pair. I want to see them trade into this zone, come back down, trade into this FVG, go back up, trade into this level, and then come down. Why this level? Because in daily time frame, we are seeing this as what? As a fair value gap. So I would like to see them trade into this level before they'll take away all this. Okay, that is what I would like to see. Let's go straight up to another pair. I hope this is clear. Euro USD, amazing, amazing. It's been delivering so as we analyzed, guys. As you can see, this pair has been so wonderful. Okay, so I know most of us caught this move, and that is what we'll do. That is what we're good at doing. Let's go straight to other to higher time frame and see what is happening in the higher time frame. Good. Here we'll have a fair value gap here. All right, but then we'll have another block here. Here is also a daily fair value gap. So, and in between all this level here, I'm taking this out. Also, we'll have a fair value gap here. Nice one. So I'm taking this out, which is already filled. Taking this out. Okay. Now we have seen what we're looking for. So we would like to see them trade into this zone, then pull back here before they go up. So that is what we'll be expecting to see. And as you can see here, we'll have this fair value gap. Market has already traded into it, but it has not taken away this low. I would like to take up this particular low. Then we'll have this. Okay. So these are fair value gap on 4 hours. So would like to see this happen. Back into this fair value gap at this place here, or this level here. Then back into this place. Get mitigated by this. Then come back down to this block. Then find this way up. This is what I'm expecting from this pair to take away this trend line liquidity that's resting here. So this is what I'm expecting from this particular pair. So let's go to another one, which is GU. GU has been performing so amazing. As you can see, guys, it's playing out our manual. All right, it's playing out our manual. So we'll have this double top. There's a liquidity level here. All right, and most of the traders are already on sell. So we're going to take this market on buy. Now, between here and here, we'll have an FVG. Let's go to 4 hours. some student in my office yesterday, I was telling them about this, that once it's come into this place, they should take a buy. All right, and that is exactly what has happened. So as you can see, it traded into this zone to go up. So, and what we want to see them do is this. It's simple. As they've got come into this particular place, what I'm expecting to see is I want to see a move up to this level, then a push back down to this particular level. All right, then up. Okay, I want to see that happen. Let's go to higher time frame like daily and see if there is an FVG that needs to be closed down. Of course, there is. Let's zoom in. So, and take this out. We'll have this level. We're taking this out. This FVG for us is daily. Okay. So I would like to come this, do this, and possibly trade into this level before they go up. Either true news or whatever. So let's go to 4 hours and check if you have an OB there. Zoom out. Good. Let's go to 3 hours. In 3 hours, we'll have an OB there. As well. So we want to see them do this. Okay. Then let's go to the next pair, which is Gbpjpy, performing as anticipated. As you guys can see, it's performing as anticipated. There is a fair value gap between here and here. They came into the fair value gap, all right, and up. So this is amazing. All our pairs plays out exactly as analyzed. Okay, we'll have the buy side liquidity here taken out. All right, then we have seen that this zone here has been mitigated, all right, but not fully touched yet. So what we are looking at here is this. I told you guys that this trend line liquidity need to be taken out. If you don't watch our yesterday analysis, you can go back and watch it so you can be in tune with our analysis as it goes on. Now we'll have this liquidity here, this trend liquidity that has been taken out already. All right, structure is already broken here. Then we'll have this push up to the upside. So let's see what we're going to expect for today for these guys to give us. Straight up to 4 hours. Breaking structures up. The liquid is already taken out, so I'm taking this out. Nice one. Wonderful delivery. It's amazing. Okay, guys. If you watch here, in between here and here, and some person already had their stop loss here. So this zone is important for us to flush it out. Some persons also have their stop loss here. Okay, so we would like to see this push to the upside. Number one, you should also look at this level and see that we have this level that has been traded into, which is a fair value gap that market has traded into. So what are we expecting? We're expecting to go to the upside. So let's say this. Of course, we have seen this already. So we want to see something like this up to this level. Why? Then when it get to this level here, we'll have something like this, then back up again to this level. Okay. Why are we saying this? Because we'll have liquidity resting here, we'll have liquidity resting here. Some persons are already selling from here and they have their stop losses here. So we need to go and take away their stop losses. And once that is done, then we can now think of what to do next based on the candle that we touch this particular level. If you give us an FVG, that means they still want to go up. But then if there's a shift candle to downside that open up on FVG, then we'll have to look for a reversal from there. And if you watch here, you will see that the market has given the first push retrace and second push, all right, second push. Then after the second push also we'll have a retrace. Then we're now expecting the third push. So that is what we're actually looking at. Let's see what happens. Good. The next one is this. All right, we actually have this. This was what we analyzed that was going to happen yesterday, but we were actually expecting them to give a discounted entry, which they never did. But we know they are coming to the total level. So what some persons, what they did, they went to a lower time frame and looked for entry there and were able to get an entry from there. All right. So that was what happened that yesterday. And some of us caught this move. It's amazing. Good. Now let's go straight to 4 hours and see what we're looking at for today. I'm taking this out and we're going to daily. Daily. These are daily time frame. Nice one. Good. This liquidity is already flushed. And, guys, if you watch, we'll have something here, between here and here. It's a fair value gap. All right. But here also we'll have a sell stop liquidity. What is it that have their stop losses here? We'll have sell stop liquidity. What is it that have their stop losses here? So we're coming to here to take off their axe. All right. So what we need to do right now is we need to go to a lower time frame to check out if it has given us anything that we need to take a reference point to flush down. Of course, we do. We'll have this level here, and also we'll have this here. Okay, and this is a zone that we need to flush now. So we need to do this and flush this zone. Now, taking out all this liquidity there, this liquidity that we'll have here, all right? So that is what I'm expecting. So once that's happened, we'll have also a fair value here and also a block there. So when this market comes to this zone here, I will expect something like a reversal, like a pullback to the upside. Then it will continue its movement to the downside. Now, let's go straight to higher time frame and check out what we've done. Yes, this is what we've done. Now, as you can see, this is a trend line liquidity. Also, on daily, this is a trend line that has been obeyed for long. So we would like to see this guy give us this. I know, though it might take some time to get us to give us this, but this is what I'm actually looking at in the at long term. So for today, what we are looking at for today is this. Back to 4 hours. I'll take this out and this. Okay. So this is what we're looking at for today. So let's go to the next one. This is gold. Gold has been delivering well. Trade into this particular fair value gap. All right. Need to flush this level, and it has been consolidating. And I analyzed this particular chart since yesterday. It really did not move, but they are still gathering contract around there. So when they are done, they will give us a movement as we analyzed yesterday. The next one is NASDAQ. So we have this that actually hit the particular point here. All right. So we're anticipating a kind of a flush back when it trades into the particular zone to this level before it goes up. But when it came here, it has to break this level. And we know that, like I said yesterday, that our target is to join them to take away this liquidity, which also most of us did yesterday. So we are taking out this trend line liquidity, is already gone. So what are we looking at now? Question. What are we looking at? Here we have another block. Nice one. And in here, between here and here, we'll have a fair value gap, and we'll have this particular push. So let's go to 4 hours and check if there's something we need to look at. This buy stop liquidity is already taken out, and we'll have these. Personally, I like taking trade at discounted rate. So I have this as my fair value gap, and I would like these guys to come in here to go up coming here, then flush up to this level. It might possibly or probably give me a reversal here or a pullback from there. All right, but this is what I'm actually expecting from this pair. I want to see this happen. Good. So let's go straight to another pair, which is USD US30. I think it should be there. US30 performed exactly as analyzed. So you guys can see it played at 100% as analyzed. All right, so let's go straight to daily and see what is happening daily to know what we'll catch for today. We're taking this out. We'll have this trend line daily, and also we're taking this out. Let's zoom out and see. You can have something there. This trend line here. Okay, still far. So that is what we have. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. Great, this level is taken out. I would like to see a pullback before any movement up. This is still playing out, so I would like to have them hit this particular level. All right, already they've traded into this particular zone here, I would like to see them hit this level, then give us a pullback to this level here. Right? Then concluding push up. Yeah. That is what I want to see on this pair. So from this place now, I'll be anticipating a reversal. So that is what I'm anticipating on this particular pair. So guys, trade well. It's an amazing week. Trade well, and let's keep rocking this industry. Do have a wonderful day.